चलो hello everyone, again very good evening to all of you guys. I hope I'm audible, visible to each and every one of you, right? Chalo sir, let us start. Very good evening, Arghamita, very good evening, very good evening. Chalo, let us start with the session. So again, today onwards we are starting with this practice session that will conduct daily, apart from the two like this mock session, mock analysis. Dinesh, very good evening. Dave, very good evening. So I'll suggest if you guys attend these like on a regular basis, so you will have a very good practice. Okay, so we'll do I'll pick up very good quality questions. So there will be two types of questions. Let me just first say this. So two types of questions. Either I'll pick up PYQs or I'll pick out most probable questions. Okay, based on PYQs. You see, most probable questions are made based out of PYQs only. So we will do those. Okay. So the sessions will be based on this. Okay. Chalo. Good evening. Surda, very good evening. I'm hoping I'm kind of taking your name right. Surda, thank you so much. Chalo. So first question of the day is this one, sir. So I'll give you guys a minute, like 40 seconds to a minute. So this question should not take you guys more than 40 seconds. Everyone, try this and tell me. Then we'll solve. Then we will solve this together. Then we will be solving this together. Quickly. Anik, Jai Sri Ram, definitely. Chalo. Answer. Any answers? Sunny has given one answer, option 3. Let's see. So 10 km per hour in still water is the speed of the boat. And speed of the current is, sir, 4 km per hour. That means upstream is 10 minus 4, 6. Downstream is 10 plus 4, 14, sir. Now 12 kilometers upstream, that means, sir, distance is 12 kilometers, speed is 6. Time will be, sir, 2 hours. Now take some rest. And 14 kilometers downstream. 14 kilometer distance, distance is 14 kilometers, speed is also 14 kilometers per hour. So time will be, sir, 1 hour. So total journey time is, sir, 3 hours. Total journey time is 3 hours. But it took him 4 hours. So how much did he rest? Harry, I don't know your actual name. Anik, 1.25. No, answers are not correct. So total 4 hours, but actually the journey time was 2 hours for upstream, 1 hour for downstream. He took rest for 1 hour. Again, let us understand. Total 10, so total upstream speed I know, downstream speed I know. Upstream speed is speed of the boat in still water minus the speed of the current. And downstream means the speed of the boat in still water plus the speed of the current. That is 10 plus 4 and this is 10 minus 4. Now distance upstream is 12. Distance by speed gives us time, sir. So upstream time will be, sir, 12 by 6, that is 2 hours. Downstream time, sir, distance by, sir, speed also, distance is 14, speed also 14, time is 1, 14 by 14. So total journey time 3 hours, but it took him 4 hours. So kitna rest liya? How much did he rest? Sir, he took rest for the remaining 1 hour. Done. Moving on to the next question. I hope this is clear. This is 100% clear. A quick yes or no. Next one. Again, sir, this is a 10-second question. Still, I'm giving you guys 40 seconds. This is a 10-second question, but again, I'm giving you 40 seconds to solve. 40 seconds to solve. Very quickly. Give me answers. Sunny has given answer 3. Chalo. Let's see, Sunny. Let's see, Sunny. Anyone else? Anyone else? I do not think 3 will be the answer, Sunny. I think the answer will be some even number. Arghamita is saying 1. Okay, let's see. Sir, whenever I am seeing 10 and 18, sir, I am getting, sir, this is complementary angle. Option 3, okay. I am getting the feeling this is not multiplication. I am getting the feeling this is complementary angle, sir. This is complementary angle, sir. Meaning sine square 10 plus sine square 80 can be written as cos square 90 degree minus 10 degree. Sorry, sine square 90 degree minus 10 degree, right? Or rather I can write cos square 10 degrees. Now sine square 10 plus cos square 10, that is 1. That is 1, sir. Yes, Anik, you are absolutely correct. Now you are absolutely correct. Sir, now 20. Now it is what? 10 plus 80 will give you 1 range. You see, ultimately now if you just think, if you can visualize 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is that. Sir, 10 and 80 will give me 1 because sine square 10 plus sine square 80 will be 1 because 80 will become cos square 10. Sine square 20, this again, sir, another 1. Again, sir, another 1, sir. Again, sir, another 1, sir. So I will get 4 ones, which will be option number 4, that is 4. The answer will be, sir, 4. The answer will be, sir, 4. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Everybody, always remember complementary angle. The best way to find, sir, figure out which two angles sum is 90. So 10 plus 80, 90, it will be 1. 20 plus 70, 90, it will be 1. 30 plus 60, 90, it will be 1. 40 plus 50, 90, it will be 1. So total 4 pairs, 4 ones, 4 is the answer. Clear, everyone? Absolutely clear, I hope. I hope it is absolutely clear. Moving on, sir. Next question. Next question. They have perfect. Ratio of simple interest and principal is this. Sir, SI and principal. This is given as 8:25/2. Again, it is not a good way to give you ratio. So let's multiply this 2 here. Let us multiply both the sides with 2. It will become this. So it is actually 16:25. It is actually 16:25. Now they are saying rate of interest is equal to the time invested. So if rate of interest is R%, time invested is also R years. Right? Now please understand, if I invest 10, like rate of interest is 10% and I invest for 5 years, that means total interest I will get how much, sir? You will say, sir, 50%, 10% every year for 5 years, 10% every year for 5 years, meaning 5 into 10, 50 years. Now R% every year for R years, that means you will get, sir, R into R, that is this much percentage. This much, like this much percentage of what, sir? Of principal of 25, that is equal to interest, sir. It is given. Calculate, sir. That is R square, percentage means by 100 into 25. That is equal to 16. That means, sir, R is equal to, sir, 25. This is 4. R square is 4 into 16. This line. So R is, sir, 2 into this is 4. That is 8. Rate of interest is 8. Now, if rate of interest is R, that is 8. So number of years also is same, that is R, 8. So number of years is also 8. That is option 4. Option number 4, sir. 8 is your correct answer. Sinchan, again, please tell me your name, brother. It is 16. 16 is not the answer. You have made a small little error. You have made a small little error, brother. There is a small little error. Okay. I hope this is absolutely clear. Absolutely clear. Perfect. Arghamita, Anik, again, your answers are correct, but the problem is that your names are so innovative. Okay, I must give you credit for that. So this is a beautiful, beautiful question. Let's see how many of you guys can solve this. I am giving you guys 40 seconds again. I am giving you guys 40 seconds again. Okay. Again, this is first day, that is why I am giving you 40 seconds. As we go along, that like time will like decrease only. This time will only decrease. Okay. Now everyone, chalo. I'm not taking the class today from the board. I'm just taking because there is a like slight issue with the setup. So tomorrow onwards, most probably I'll again go back to that. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Sinchan has given the answer. Sinchan is a cartoon character, right? Sinchan, please tell me your name, brother. Please tell me your actual name. Actual name. Saying 2. He is saying 2. I do not know what like whether that is the correct answer. Anik has also given the same answer. Let's see. X to the power 12 plus x's cube divided by x to the power 6. 3 options. Okay, let's see. It is equal to 0. Now there are 2 ways. You can put this to the like multiply this and take common from there. You can figure out certain things. Another way. So from here I can directly, if you can take common and if you can calculate, you can say x to the power 9 equal to minus 1. Now if you are an advanced student, you should be able to say this directly. In that way you can say, sir, this is to the power 4, to the power 4, answer is 2. But again, let us understand the basic way. Divide by 6 like in both the sides, x to the power 12 by x to the power 6. It will be, sir, x to the power 6, because a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n, sir. Power actually gets subtracted. Plus this is, sir, 3 minus 6 means it will be, sir, 1 by x to the power minus like 3. X to the power minus 3, that means 1 by x to the power 3. That is equal to 0. So again, sir, now if you take x to the power 3 as the LCM, it will be x to the power 9 plus 1 is 0. This thing you send it to this side. So x to the power plus 9 plus 1 is 0. That means, sir, x to the power 9 is equal to minus 1. Now you can say, you see, if you had calculated, you would have gotten the same answer here. Now the same thing without using, if you don't want to do this, you can simply say from this line, sir, this thing you would send it to this side. You can take x to the power 3 common from the top. You can say x to the power 9 plus 1 is 0, sir. Now x to the power 9 plus 1 is 0 means, sir, x to the power 9 equal to minus 1, because this thing will become 0. Already I have taken this to this side, meaning it is 0 only. So you can directly say this as well. So in any way, like whichever way you feel comfortable. Now, sir, x to the power 36, it means what? X to the power 9 to the power 4, because 9 4s are 36. Now that means x to the power 9 to the power 4 means minus 1 to the power 4, that is equal to, sir, 1. Meaning x to the power 36 value is, sir, 1. 1 by 1 is also, sir, 1. So 1 plus 1, the value, the answer will be set 2. The answer will always be set 2. Everyone, I hope this is absolutely clear. I hope this is 100% clear. Very, very, very simple question. Very, very simple question. Okay. Please understand this. This is a very good question, and similar one question. Remember, sometimes x to the power 6 equal to minus 1. There is a concept of like of this as well. X cube plus 1 by x cube, the similar concept. Okay. So please, like today, when you go back home, please solve a question on this concept as well. Okay. Chalo, sir. The best question of today's set. The best question of today's set. Whoever solves this gets a 5-star from my end. Whoever solves this in 10 seconds or 20 seconds or even in a minute gets a 5-star from my end. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Everyone. Best question, hands down the best question. This is a difficult question, little bit difficult, okay? A little bit difficult question, little bit difficult. Ayush has given us some answer. Let's see. Ayush has given us some answer. I do not want to comment whether correct, like right, wrong. Ayush, I'll let you know. I'll say yes or no, but not now. Not now. Let us see. Best question. And if you have not done questions like this, please solve a few questions, because we are expecting the questions might become a little tricky this year. Option 2, Dev also. अरे चलो चलो रवि, वही सही, वही सही, आप बताए तो वही होगा। ठीक है देव, ओके चलो चलो अनिक, लेट्स सी, दिस इज अ template question of AMGM inequality. This is, you see, there are shortcuts vagera, everything we'll discuss, but please understand the basic rule, the like the actual rule. Please understand, this is a template question of AMGM inequality. Okay, understand this, understand this. If this is given as 12 and I need this, so first things first, x y z, so plus plus hai, x plus y plus z is given as 12 na. Sir, take 1 to this side, sir, x minus 1 I need, because I need to apply this inequality AM greater or equal to GM on these three quantities, x minus 1, y minus 2 and z minus 3. That means total I have taken out 6. So 12 minus 6 will become, sir, 6. Clear, sir? Clear, sir, this one? Now I need to figure this out. So remember, this is equal to 6. Please remember, I will now apply AMGM inequality on these three. This is my first number, second number, third number. AM means what? AM means arithmetic mean, meaning like sum of 3 by 3. That means, sir, x minus 1 plus y minus 2, learn this, plus z minus 3 divided by 3 will always be greater or equal to, this is GM means multiplicating, meaning, sir, x minus 1 into y minus 2 into, sir, z minus 3 to the power, sir, 1 by 3. Remember, sir, to the power, sir, 1 by 3. Now this value, sir, we all know. This is, we know as 6. So if I put the 6 by 3 is a 2, the next line is coming out, sir, as a 6 greater equal, like 2 greater equal to, sir, x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3, total whole power, sir, 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3, if I need to get rid of this, what will happen, sir? Sir, it will come to this side, sir. So that means this thing is always, I'm just writing it like this, less or equal to, sir, 8. This is always less or equal to, sir, 8. So the maximum value of this is 8, sir. Maximum value of this is, sir, 8. So the 6, everyone had given answer 6, which was wrong, which was actually wrong. The answer to this question is 8. Again, this is not an easy question. Let me say this is not by any chance an easy question, but it was a very, very, very good question. AM greater or equal to GM. Had he had given us, sorry brother, then I have not, I must have. Arghamita also had given 8. Anik has also given 8. Sorry, extremely, my mistake. Yes, three answers I've got as 8. This is a brilliant question. Okay, so if you have not done this, please solve a few questions on this property AM greater or equal to GM. If SSC asks you questions on inequality, this is the first inequality on which they will ask questions. And maximum minimum value, there are many questions of maximum minimum value which can be solved using this inequality. Okay, so please understand, this is a brilliant question. Chalo sir. Next one, sir. Simple question, this one. I'm giving you guys 30 seconds now. 30 seconds to solve. Everybody, take your time, quickly solve. This was a good question, definitely. Very, very good question this was. No question about it. Chalo sir. Sir, this is very simple. This is very, very simple. You see, to the power 4, I can a square minus b square, I can do. So cos square a minus sin square a into, yes, I got, yes, a, okay, perfect. and this is sir cos square A plus sin square A. Again you see writing this and not writing this doesn't make any sense because this is 1 only. We all know this. First inequality. So this is nothing but all the values are in cos, no sir, it is 2 cos square A because this is formula for cos 2A sir. If you don't remember, if you don't know, this is the formula for, this is formula for sir cos 2A sir. Okay, this is also another formula for cos 2A. Another formula for cos 2A, if you want to remember, 1 minus 2 sin square 2A. Array, yes, 2A, why I am writing re? 1 minus 2 sin square. So this is another, cos 2A has 3 formula. This one which has cos and sin both, this one which has only cos, this one which has only sin. So this will be sir, this one, option number 1. Perfect sir, perfect. Next one sir, next one. If the compound interest on certain sum 2 years 20% is, this is 4400. So 2 years 20%. If you are advanced student, you should remember 2 year 20% means 44% only. CI, if you put in formula, you will always get 44%. If you are not an advanced, or if you don't know, I should not say advanced, that does not make you a non-advanced student, not remembering things. I'm also a great, like a kind of advocate of this. Understand, in these situations, always use AB theorem. Convert the compound interest in simple percentage. 2 years meaning once using AB theorem. Using AB theorem only once will suffice. So 20 plus 20 plus 20 into 20 by 100. A plus B plus AB by 100. So this you do, you will get sir 44%. 44% is what sir? This is your CI, compound interest. According to your question, yes, let's see. According to your question, this is 44%. Value is sir 4400 rupees. Now CI on this 2 years, same rate, 20%. SI, same 20% for 2 years. SI means only this part will be there. 20% for 1 year, 2 years will be sir 40%. So they are asking 44% equal to 4400. What is the value of 40%? You see, any bacha of class 1 will say, sir, this is 4000 rupees. So your answer to this question is option number 4, 4000 rupees. Yes, Arghamita, principal is 10,000, definitely. Principal, if they ask, principal means in terms of percentage, how much sir? 100%. Principal means 100%, sir. 100% if they ask, sir, 100% will be 10,000. That's all there is. That's all there is, sir. Nothing else, sir. Done. Moving on, sir. Radius of cones are in this ratio. Acha, sir. Volumes are in this ratio. Heights, the ratio they are asking. Sir, again. Volume equal to, sir, pi R1 square into H1, sir. Volume also doable by, see, yes, absolutely authentic. Brother, I've forgotten your name. I've seen you, but again, I've forgotten your name, brother. Okay, definitely you can do it. Definitely you can do by this. If you want to do it by that, na, chalo main bata deta hu. But again na, chalo karo. P R square by 10,000 is CI minus SI. That is the formula for 2 years. P R square by 10,000. But again, na, problem will be, sir, I know CI 4400. No, brother, you cannot really do it. You have to go 2 steps. Difference is 4%. You cannot, then you have to, like, there is another variable because I do not know the SI. SI will be there, and like, I do not know P. I know R. So P, for that again I have to go another step. So that way, this will be lengthier only. I'm not saying you can't, but it will be lengthier. That's all. Again, I then need to figure out ki acha 44% is this, then that means this is 100% is 10,000 and so on. You're getting my point, na? So again, this will be the more work. Sir, coming here, volume ratio le lo, sir. Sir, take the ratio. Pi cancels. So what I am doing, I have just written down the formula. I have just written down the formula. 1 second, brother. I'm reading your comment. Just 1 second. So this is given as 3 by 5. Writing it. 3 by 5 equal to pi cancels. Radius ratio is a 2 by 5. So this is squared, sir. Meaning, sir, it will be 4 by 25 into, sir. This I don't know. H1 by H2. This I need to figure out. Chalo na, sir. No worries. This is 5. So H1 by H2 is, this 5 will go there, this 4 will come down. 15 by 4, sir. 15 by 4, sir. 15 by 4, sir. Option number 4. Option number 4. Yes. All of your answers are absolutely correct. It can be doable by, 1 second. You have deleted your comment, brother. I was about to read it. After this question was done, I was about to read it. But I couldn't find your comment, brother. For this question you suggested me another technique, but I can't see your comment. Kaha gaya? No, I can't see it. If you have deleted, please. Formula for cone is not correct. Acha, cone tha, again, I have not seen it. I have done it using cylinder. Cone hai to nothing will matter, na. 1/3. Again, it will cancel out. Actually, what we do na, again, please understand, in case of cone or in case of like the cylinder, what will happen? The volume varies as r square into h. Remember this. The pi, 1/3, all those things, those are constant. So whenever you take ratio, those will cancel out. Perfect, Akash. So I have not actually seen, brother. Actually, I was going back and forth. Na? Perfect. Chalo, sir. Chalo. A mixture of 80 liters of wine and water contains 60% wine. Acha. How much water must be added to make 50% wine in the new mixture? Sir, there are 2 ways to go. Both the ways are very easy. Let's do it by the easiest. That is called alligation. Best question for this is alligation. Let me give you, you see, the biggest problem in this question, students don't understand that this question can be solved using alligation. Let's see, na, sir. Sir, solution is how much percentage, wine? Sir, 60% wine. Now, please understand, when you are taking alligation, na, what you are adding, sir? We are adding water. So, your alligation variable must be water. Whatever you are adding from outside, that must be your alligation variable. Always remember. So, solution may you are adding alligation water. So, alligation I will take on the concentration of water. So, 60% wine means I have 40% water, sir. Now, I am adding what? I am adding some other solution. I am taking like this. You think like this. I am adding another solution where the concentration of water is 100%. You see, na? If I say I am only adding water, it plays with your head. Think always like this. I am adding another solution where there is only water. That means where the concentration is 100%. And the resultant solution must be 50% water concentration. Can I now use alligation? You see, this now looks very simple. This is 10 crosswise difference. This is 50. So I need this to be in the ratio 5:1. I know this was 80 liter solution was present. Meaning, sir, for every 5 liters of solution, I will add 1 liter like this water. This is water added. This is how much water I am adding. So, every 5 liter solution, I will add 1 liter of water. For 80 liter solution, how much water will I add? Sir, 16 liters, option 1, that's answer. That is your answer, sir. You see, that's a single liner question. Everybody understand this way of thinking. understand. I have given you very simple, very key features here. If you don't understand a single point, now it will be difficult to solve. Let me say this. If you get stuck anywhere, please do let me know. He said again, first things first, whatever you are adding, read the question, whatever you are adding. Yes, Argamit, again I'll repeat, do not worry. What I am saying, whatever you are adding, repeat allegation concept, Akash, most definitely, chalo sir, or ek baar. Sir, this particular solution had 60% wine. Solution, okay, this had 60% wine, but I cannot take my allegation on wine here. Why, sir? Why? Sir, please understand, ki, sir, in this case, I am adding water. How much water must be added? So, in that means, whatever you are adding, na, you have to take your allegation on this. Meaning your allegation variable will be, sir, water, because we are adding water. In this case, if we were adding water, our allegation variable would have been water. But here we are not doing that. We are adding like if we are adding wine, our allegation variable would have been wine. But here we are adding water. So in this case, our allegation variable is water. So what is how? So that means I now need how much concentration of water is there. So I know in this solution 60% is wine. So water will be the rest. So 100% minus 60%, meaning 40% is water, sir. Right? Yes, wine is 60%. You see total 100% solution. 60% is wine. That means 40% is water. Right, sir? Now I am adding water. Now I am adding water to the outside source. Now in that water, what is the concentration of water? I am saying you think that is also a solution. It's a solution of what? Where water concentration is 100%. Why? Because we are only adding water. There is nothing else other than water. That means it has to have a concentration of 100% only. It has to have a concentration of 100% only. Now, after adding this water, the solution has now, the resultant concentration has become 50%, sir. Yes, 100% water is water, absolutely, because I am only adding water. So that solution, I have taken a solution bucket that only has water. So concentration of water is 100%. So that means now after I have added that, so water concentration has increased to 50%. Now, can I figure out the ratio, sir? Most definitely I can. Sir, allegation theorem, 40 and 50 differences are 10, 150 differences are 50. So ratio is 50 ratio 10, that means, sir, 5 ratio 1. Meaning, sir, for every 5 parts of solution that already was there, I will add 1 part of water from outside. Now, I know there was 80 liters of water, the mixture. A mixture of 80 liters was already there. The 80 liter solution was already there. So for every 5 liters, I am adding 1 liter. For 80 liters, how much I'll add? Sir, 1/5 of that. Sir, 80 by 5, sir, 116 liters. So I'll add 16 liters. Clear, sir? Everybody? Akash, clear? Arghamita, clear? Everyone here, clear? Always remember, it is very, very simple. Sir, another way also. Remember here, another way of solving this same question, that is also very simple. Let me show you guys. Problem is that we cannot then solve complete the set. That is the only problem. If काम करो यही वाला ना चलो same question I am showing you another way. ठीक है, just learn. The second way is make your equation with whatever that is constant. or whatever is constant. Remember this. Always you will get your answer. For example, here what is constant? Tell me. In this situation, in this question, what is constant? You give me your answer, you will get your, like, you will do this question. What has not changed? What has not changed? Everyone, tell me. What has not changed? क्या change नहीं हुआ है in this question? Sir, I have added water. I have added water. Meaning, sir, what has not changed? Sir, wine is constant. Wine has not changed. Sir, initially 80 liters, 60% wine. So, wine was 80 into 60%, meaning 60 by 100. Finally, I do not know, I have added how much water? I have added x liters of water. So, that means now the total solution is 80 plus x liters. Now, it has 50% wine. 50% means half. Sir, wine, this is final wine after addition. This is initial wine. Wine to constant, no, sir. Wine is constant because wine to whatever wine I have not added. Wine was whatever that was previously, like that was there from the previous instance, because I have only added water. So, wine will, the quantity of wine is constant. Calculate and get the answer. So, it is x will be, sir, 80 into how much, sir? You just calculate this, no, sir. You just calculate this, Arvind. X by 2, it is equal to 80 into 10%, 60%, 50%. Meaning, sir, this is 8. So, the value of x is 16, sir. You got the same answer. You got the same answer. This is also very easy. This is also, you see, it is exactly opposite. Here I was saying, always make your allegation variable with whatever you are adding. Here I am saying, make your equation with whatever is constant. Exactly opposite I am saying. But again, if you are serious, you should understand both. देखो एक ही in same question can be solved in so many different ways. You do not need shortcuts. These are shortcuts by itself. You see, have I given you any shortcuts, like anything, any formulas? We are just understanding the questions as they are. Chalo, sir, next one. Next one, sir. Quickly. Square of the sum of two numbers is equal to the 4 times their product, the ratio of the two numbers. Yes, absolutely. That is the point, brother. Because you know now, no matter how many shortcuts you learn, no matter whatever you do, when you enter the exam hall, na, you are always blank. Always remember this. You enter the exam hall exactly as blank. Okay. So, everybody starts from 0 in the exam hall. So, that is something that should be there in your mind. Okay. So, everybody is a 0 there. Everybody starts from 0. Sir, square of the sum of two numbers is equal to 4 times their product. Sir, I can say this is 1:1. You see, you do not need to do anything. No, brother, Shadab, it is 1:1. Actually, square of sum of squares, it is equal to 4 of product xy. Next line, sir, if you take this to this side, now I am getting x, sorry, square of the sum, no, sorry. You see, I thought this sum then square. Square of the sum, x plus y, sum square of that. Sir, it is giving you what, sir? X plus y whole square minus 4xy is equal to 0. So, this is the formula for x minus y whole square. So, that means x minus y is 0. That means x equal to y. That means x by y ratio equal to 1:1. Option number 3, sir. Yeah, value putting also works. Value putting actually also works. But again, once I see this, I just thought about this. And you see, that is the reason I have just given you the answer first. This is 1:1. Because whenever I am seeing a 4xy, that means both are equal. That like x minus y whole square is 0, that means both are equal. That means x and y is equal. And equal means 1:1. Right, sir? Next one. Acha, if you guys are liking the session, please, this is a request, please hit the like, because that actually gives us this session a little bit more reach. Please hit that like. Acha, A can do a piece of work in 20 days, B in 40 days. They work on this together for 5 days. Sir. Time ratio, sir. Time ratio is a 20:40. Sir, efficiency ratio, that means it is 2:4 or sir 1:2. This is time ratio. This is a time ratio. Sir, efficiency ratio is what, sir? Efficiency ratio is opposite, meaning it's a 2:1. It is 2:1. Meaning A does 2 units every day, B does 1 unit every day. So total work is how much, sir? Total work you can calculate from either using A's data or B's data. I'm taking A's data. A does 2 units every day and total work he does in 20 days. So total work, sir, 2 into 20, 2 units every day for 20 days. This is total work, sir. Total work, sir. And let's see, 5 by 8. Achha, let's see. Total, this much work they do. This is the total work. Now, they have worked out of the total is, sir, 40 units. 40 units is the total work. Out of 40 units, they have done what? Total together, they are doing 2 plus 1, 3 units every day, and they have worked for 5 days. That means 15 units they have done. 15 units they have already done. So, fraction of work that is left. How much left, sir? For out of 40, 15 units been done. That means 25 left out of total, that is this. Let's calculate, sir. 5 5s are this, 5 8s are this. So 5 by 8 is most definitely your correct answer, sir. 5 by 8 is most definitely your correct answer, option number 1. Very, very, very good. Very good. Yes, I've got so many correct answers. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Absolutely. Very, very good. Very, very good. Sir, again another time and work question. Another time and work question, sir. Another question based on time and work. Let's see. Chalo, sir, chalo. X does 1/4 of a job in 6 days. Y completes the rest in 12 days. Acha, sir. Acha, sir. Then. That means that then X and Y together can complete in how many days? Looks very simple, but it is a little bit tricky. Little tricky, sir. Rest means, sir, how much? Rest 1/4 if A does, like X does. 3/4 then like Y does. Can I say this? Can I say this? 1/4 A does in 6 days. 3/4 B does, Y does in 12 days. So time ratio, let's find out, sir. Without doing all the stuff, can I figure out time ratio? Sir, 1/4. Let us take 1/4 job A, like X does, X and Y. X does in 6 days. And sir, like Y does 3/4 in 12 days. So 1/4 Y does in how many days, sir? Can I say 4 days? Because 1/3 like time it will take. 3/4. 3/4 means thrice of 1/4. That he is doing in 12 days. Meaning 1/4 he is doing in 4 days. So time ratios are 6:4. So efficiency ratio will be what, sir? That will be, sir, 4:6 or अच्छे से करो तो 2:3, sir. It is 2:3, sir. Now total work I need to figure out my total work. So total work I am taking X. X is doing 2 units every day. So 1/4 he is taking 6 days. So in 6 days he is doing 2 into 6, 12 units. So this is only 1/4. So total will be, sir, into 4. So this is the total work. This is a total work. Like I don't know the answer. Let's see. So 6 4s are 24, 2s are 48. 48 units. Now they will do, if they work together, now they X and Y together they are doing. They will do 3 plus 2, 5 units every day. And they need to complete 48 units total work. So they will take time, this much time, sir. 5 9s are 45. So 9 whole 3 by 5 days. Option number 3, sir. Option number 3, absolutely. Option number 3, yes, 100%. And so many C, yes, absolutely. 9 whole 3 by 5 days is most definitely your correct answer. Absolutely correct answers. It is, you see, this is a proper SSC question, probable question, because you see this is not difficult, but it has, the language has a little bit of a thing in it, right? Chalo sir. A car can cover a distance, certain distance in this. If the speed increases by 5 km per hour, it would take this much hour less to cover the same distance. Find the slower speed. Now, let me say one thing. There are two ways to solve these questions. Okay, whenever you see distance is constant, there is a formula to figure out distance. If you guys know, S1 into S2 by S1 difference S2 into delta T. But again, when students know this formula, I have seen this countless times, they get overwhelmed. Everywhere I'll use this. No, please understand, they are asking speed. They absolutely do not need to use the formula here. You do not need to use, again, I'm not saying you cannot use, you can figure out the answer using that formula. But again, there you need to work harder. Here it is easier to use, easier to find out the solution here, the answer here, without actually solving, like using that formula. Right, sir? Sir, if the speed I don't know, I'm taking S. So like then what will you, sir? S1 by S2 equal to T2 by T1. The chota bhai of that formula, the basic, the conceptual, the speed ratio is opposite to the time ratio. Speed ratio and time ratio, they are inversely proportional. That basic concept we are going to use. Sir, first speed I do not know, X. Second speed, sir, increased by 5 km per hour, meaning, sir, X plus 5. Now, time, sir, this is 4 whole 1 by 2, meaning, sir, 9 by 2 hours. Now second time, sir, half an hour less, meaning, sir, 9 hours, 4 hours, 9 by 2. Sir, you see, they are asking the value of slower speed, mean value of X. It is much better to figure out, because I can figure it out directly. If I had used the distance formula, so again distance, then again time, then you divide, then you get your speed. Because distance by time will give you speed. I have to do 2 steps. Whereas I can do this, I can get the answer in 1 step here. So here it is actually 8 by 9 if you calculate. So 8 by 9 means 9x equal to 8x plus 5 8s are 40. Sir, x value is 40. Arey, option nahi aaya. Arey, have I made any error? Ruko. 40 we are getting, na? We are getting the 40, na? Increased by 5, half an hour less. Yes, then there is a printing mistake, okay? There is a printing mistake. Now the printing mistake is corrected. So answer is option 3. Answer is, sir, option 3. Yes, there must be a print. You see, the person who makes the PPT, like this PDF, na? So the PPT, so that person is also a human. Mistakes happen. You see, I make so many mistakes, right? Mistakes happen. We all make mistakes. It happens. It happens. वो 0 के जगह it might be like you see both options have been given as 60. So one of these options might have been 40. One of these options actually was 40. So which one? Let's do this one. Let us make this one. Okay. So actually that was a printing mistake. That was a typing error that he had made. Okay. So not a big deal. Not a big deal. We have found the correct answer. That's the big deal. Acha, I have seen that this question, this is actually given as Z. Okay. This point is actually given as Z. You guys might not be able to see this. This point was given as Z. CGL question PYQ 2022. XYZ is a secant, ZT is a tangent, or is tangent and secant. Whenever you see there is a secant, there is a tangent. What do you do? Sir, there is a theorem called tangent secant theorem, which actually comes from secant theorem only, right? So in my batches, I've given you the proofs, vagera and everything, right? So what I have done, so what actually that is, sir, you take, why is it, the secant is this one, sir, why is it, so you take it to like two parts. Sir, why is it into, why is it, you tell me, you guys tell me now, you guys tell me the tangent secant theorem here. You guys, let's see. Rajendra is like, अरे चलो आ गया, Rajendra is like, बताओ, you tell me, you guys tell me, tangent secant theorem, you tell me. Kamal has given answer. No, I don't want answer. I want the tangent secant theorem based on this figure. Theorem I need. I need the theorem. Nobody is saying, chalo main hi batata hu. Zy into zx, it is equal to zt square. Okay. This is your tangent secant theorem. Sir, zy is given, zy. So zt is given 12. Chalo sir, it is 12 square. Zy is given as 8 into xy they are asking. Achha, xy will figure out. Xy, zx is, I don't know, zx rakhte hai sir. Sir, 8, this is, let us write it down like this, 12 into 12 sir. Sir, 4 3s are this, 4 2s are like and this is 2 6. So zx is equal to, sir, 6 3s are 18. So that means, sir, this total thing is coming out to be 18, sir, zx. Now out of that, yz is given, yz is given as 8. This much is 8. So this much, this must be, sir, 10. Because total has to be 18, this is 8, so it has to be, sir, 10. Option number 4, 10 is your correct answer. Yes, Arghamita has given tz square equal to zy into zx. Absolutely correct. Tangent secant theorem is one of the most important theorem. And like similarly, you remember over here, there is another theorem called secant theorem as well. Secant theorem is saying, actually secant theorem se hi aata hai, if this is z like m and n, so you can say zy into zx equal to zm into zn. That is called secant theorem. This is called only secant theorem. Both are seconds here. Okay. So secant se hi tangent secant theorem aata hai. Remember this, everyone. Secant theorem, and this is tangent secant theorem. Very, very, very important theorem. Another very important theorem in circle is alternate segment theorem. And that has, many people has problem there. I know. Okay. Acha. Two positive numbers are in this ratio, sum of their squares is given. Acha, sum of the two numbers. This question I am giving you guys one question as homework. This question I am giving you guys homework. We'll solve the next question actually. I want to solve the next question. This question I am giving you homework. CGL mains 2020. Don't worry, you will get the PDF. Okay, just after the class only, within a few minutes you will get the PDF. Okay, within maximum 1 hour. CGL mains 22, but again this is not a like question that is difficult. It's a single line question. Two numbers 10%, 25% more than third number. Sir, both the numbers are linked to one third number. Ratio between numbers they are asking. Sir, always in these situations take the third number, and percentage hai na sir, they take 100 because they are asking ratio. So and given percentage. Relative given, relative asking. I can assume anything, I am assuming 100. Sir, first number then what will that be, sir? 10% more, meaning sir 110. 110. And second number is, sir, what? Second, again you see, if you are intelligent, now you will say, hey, sir, 110, I will not check anything. Why? It is multiple of 11. Only one of these options is a multiple of 11. That is my answer. That is my answer. I won't even go for anything. Because only one option, first number is 110, that is a multiple of 11. 11 is a prime number. So there is no other option which is a multiple of 11. I will not check anything else. Okay. And now, sir, if there is another option, sir, then what will you do, sir? The second number 25% more means at 125. So you just do this. So this is 5, this is at 5 22s, this is at 25. So ratio is at 22 ratio 25. Done, sir? That's all. That is all, sir. Everyone. So again, thank you so much for joining us. And again, we were lucky enough to scope do very well in the last SSC exams. We got both CGL year ones for JSO and non-JSO. Okay. So again, feel free again if you want to, like this is a batch. This is a kind of course we will run 3 classes every week apart from 2 mock analysis. We'll run every week. I'll take the classes every day at 5 p.m. Okay, every day. So I'll ask you guys to join the 1 hour sessions every day so that we can have a very good discussion. So again, thank you so much. I'll again be seeing you guys tomorrow at the same time. Till then, please take care, and I'll be seeing you guys. Bye bye. Take care.